Is your business still depending on software that doesn't completely fit your workflow? Are your teams switching between multiple tools, manually entering data, or paying for features they never use? What if your software could be designed specifically around the way your business operates? That's exactly where a custom software development company can make a difference. In this video, we'll explore what custom software development is, why businesses are investing in it, the services involved, the development process, and how the right technology partner can help your business scale. Custom software development means building software specifically for your business requirements. Unlike off-the-shelf software, custom solutions are designed around your workflows, users, business goals, integrations, and future growth. For example, a manufacturing company may need production management, inventory tracking, supplier management, and reporting in one platform. A healthcare organization may require patient management, appointments, secure records, and analytics. An automotive business may need dealer management, CRM, inventory, sales, and customer communication. Instead of forcing your business to adapt to software, custom development allows the software to adapt to your business. So, why are businesses choosing custom software? First, a better fit. Every business has unique processes. Custom software allows you to build features around your exact operational requirements. Second, scalability. Your business will grow, and your technology should grow with it. Custom software can be expanded with new modules, integrations, users, and functionalities. Third, enhanced security. Businesses handle sensitive customer, financial, operational, and employee data. A customized solution can incorporate security measures based on your business and industry requirements. Fourth, improved productivity. By automating repetitive processes and connecting workflows, employees can spend less time on manual tasks. Fifth, competitive advantage. Unique technology can help businesses deliver better customer experiences and operate more efficiently. At Apps in AI, custom software development covers the complete software lifecycle. Software consultation. Everything starts with understanding your business. The team analyzes your requirements, identifies challenges, evaluates feasibility, and helps define the right software strategy. Web application development need a business portal, customer platform, dashboard, marketplace, or enterprise web application. Custom web applications can be designed around your business workflows and user requirements. Mobile application development. Your customers and employees increasingly expect access from anywhere. Custom Android and iOS applications can provide mobile access to your products, services, and internal processes. Software testing and quality assurance. Building software is only part of the process. Testing helps identify bugs, performance issues, security concerns, and usability problems before deployment. CI by CD. Continuous integration and continuous deployment can streamline software delivery, improve development efficiency, and support faster releases. DevOps support. From deployment to monitoring and ongoing optimization, DevOps practices help maintain reliable and scalable software infrastructure. Maintenance and support. Software shouldn't stop evolving after launch. Ongoing maintenance, updates, optimization, and technical support help keep your solution secure and effective. So, how does the custom software development process work? Let's break it down. Step 1. Requirement analysis. First, developers understand your business objectives, users, challenges, features, and technical requirements. Step 2. Planning and strategy. Next comes project planning. This includes defining the technology approach, milestones, resources, timelines, and development roadmap. Step 3. UI by UX design. The software interface is designed to provide a simple and intuitive experience for your users. Step 4. Development. Now the development team builds the solution using suitable technologies and architecture. Step 5. Testing. The application goes through quality assurance and testing to identify and resolve issues. Step 6. Deployment. Once the software is ready, it is deployed into the production environment. Step 7. Maintenance and support. After launch, continuous monitoring, updates, improvements, and technical support help the software evolve with your business. This end-to-end approach helps businesses move from an idea to a production-ready solution. Let's compare custom software with off-the-shelf solutions. Off-the-shelf software can be useful when your requirements are simple and standardized. But what happens when your business has unique workflows? You may end up paying for unnecessary features. You may need workarounds. You may have limited integration options. And as your business grows, the software may not scale the way you need. Custom software takes a different approach. You define the requirements. You choose the features. You control the integrations. And you can plan the architecture around future growth. The goal isn't simply to build more software. The goal is to build the right software for your business. Custom software can be applied across many industries: automotive dealer management systems, vehicle platforms, CRM solutions, inventory management, and sales applications, healthcare patient management, appointment platforms, healthcare applications, and operational systems. Finance, financial applications, dashboards, workflow automation, and secure business platforms. Education, learning platforms, student management systems, training applications, and administrative software. Manufacturing production management, inventory systems, supply chain applications, and business intelligence platforms. Retail and e-commerce, custom marketplaces, customer applications, inventory management, and order management systems. The important point is that custom software isn't limited to one industry. It can be designed around the unique requirements of almost any business. Modern custom software can also integrate emerging technologies. Depending on your requirements, solutions can incorporate artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, IoT, blockchain, analytics, APIs, and modern web and mobile technologies. For example, AI can help automate repetitive tasks. Analytics can turn business data into actionable insights. Cloud technology can support scalable infrastructure. APIs can connect your software with existing business systems. And mobile applications can extend your services directly to customers and employees. This combination of custom development and modern technology can create a future-ready business platform. Choosing the right development partner is just as important as choosing the right technology. Apps and AI focuses on delivering scalable and business-focused software solutions. From consultation and development to testing, deployment, DevOps, and ongoing support, the goal is to provide an end-to-end development experience. Whether you're a startup looking to validate an idea, an SME trying to automate operations, or an enterprise planning a large-scale platform, the solution should be designed around your business objectives. The focus should always remain on performance, scalability, security, usability, and long-term business value. Let's quickly recap why businesses choose custom software development. 1. Software tailored to your exact requirements. 2. Better scalability as your business grows. 3. Greater control over features and integrations. 4. Improved productivity through automation. 5. Enhanced security and data control. 6. Better user experiences. 7. Reduced dependency on generic software. And 8. A technology platform designed for long-term growth. Custom software is not simply an IT investment. It can become an important part of your business strategy. If your current software is slowing down your business, it may be time to consider a solution built specifically for you. Whether you need an enterprise application, web platform, mobile application, business automation system, or AI-powered software, Apps in AI can help you transform your idea into a scalable digital solution. Visit the Apps in AI website and explore our custom software development company services. You can also get in touch with our team to discuss your project requirements and development goals. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos about custom software development, AI, mobile applications, automation, and digital transformation. Have questions about your software project? Leave a comment below. And remember, don't adapt your business to software. Build software around your business. See you in the next video.